The future of AI-powered jobs. Will AI take your job or create more opportunities? Welcome to ASAD Tech Edge, your go-to channel for the latest insights on AI, technology, and the future of work. If you want to stay ahead in the digital revolution, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Introduction. The rise of artificial intelligence is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. From automation in factories to AI-powered assistants in offices, technology is reshaping how businesses operate. But one of the biggest concerns remains: will AI take away jobs, or will it create new opportunities for workers? In this video, we'll explore the impact of AI on employment, the jobs most at risk, the careers that will thrive, and how you can prepare for the AI-driven future. AI is already replacing jobs. Artificial intelligence has already begun replacing many traditional jobs. In manufacturing, robots have taken over assembly lines, increasing efficiency while reducing the need for human labor. The retail sector is also seeing a shift, with AI-powered self-checkout systems and automated inventory management reducing reliance on cashiers and stock clerks. Customer service is another industry experiencing disruption, as chatbots and virtual assistants handle inquiries that were once managed by human representatives. Even in transportation, self-driving technology is threatening jobs in trucking, delivery services, and taxis. The most at-risk professions, repetitive, predictable, and rule-based jobs are the most vulnerable to AI automation. Data entry clerks, telemarketers, and basic accounting roles are already being replaced by AI-driven software. In logistics, warehouse jobs are being automated with robotic pickers and AI inventory management. In the financial sector, AI algorithms are taking over tasks such as risk assessment, fraud detection, and even stock market analysis. These changes mean that employees in such roles will need to reskill or transition into new career paths. AI as a job creator. Despite its disruptive impact, AI is also generating new jobs. Companies need AI specialists, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI trainers to develop, maintain, and improve AI systems. Roles in cybersecurity, AI ethics, and prompt engineering are emerging as critical areas for the future. Even in creative fields, AI-assisted content generation requires human oversight, creativity, and strategic thinking. Instead of replacing all jobs, AI is shifting the workforce toward more advanced, specialized roles.
Jobs that will survive the AI revolution. Not all jobs can be replaced by AI. Careers that require creativity, human judgment, and emotional intelligence will remain in high demand. Fields like psychology, social work, teaching, and leadership roles rely on human connection and decision-making that AI cannot replicate. Additionally, skilled trades like electricians, plumbers, and mechanics will continue to thrive because they involve physical, real-world problem-solving that AI struggles with. How to future-proof your career. If you want to stay relevant in the age of AI, focus on developing skills that AI cannot easily replicate. Creativity, complex problem-solving, adaptability, and emotional intelligence will be key. Learning to work alongside AI rather than against it will be crucial for career survival. Taking courses in AI literacy, coding, and data analytics can also provide an advantage in the evolving job market. The key is to embrace AI as a tool that enhances your skills rather than seeing it as a threat. AI is undoubtedly transforming the workforce, but it doesn't have to be a threat. While some jobs will disappear, many new opportunities will arise. The future belongs to those who adapt, learn, and leverage AI to their advantage. The best way to prepare is to stay informed, keep learning, and embrace change. That's it for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ASAD Tech Edge for more insights on AI, technology, and the future of work. Let me know in the comments, do you think AI will take more jobs than it creates? See you in the next video.